Hey everyone, it's Elijah, and today I'm going to do some cool tricks with my fidget. See this? One finger. This finger. And also, 1 second. Pinky finger. And also, forehead spinner. Nose spinner. Middle of the hand spinner. And middle spin. Double spin. And a lot more spinning. Yep. And that'll be it for today. If you want some more videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you another time. Peace!